Hi, good morning students. Myself Professor Jitendra Engle, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Navgar, Bhayandar East. Our today's assignment number 5, that is word repetition after listening. In our day-to-day language or in our day-to-day communication, it is important to speak the correct word. Means pronunciation is more important. Okay, pronunciation is very important. If you pronounce wrong word, so receiver unable to understood the exact meaning of that particular word, or it create confusion in the mind of a receiver or audience. So here in this assignment, there are some words is given. We have to listen it and try to speak incorrectly. Okay, means again and again we can repeat the word. Okay, with correct pronunciation. Listening is an active and natural process of learning many foreign language. Okay, or on the other hand, listening is the first step of any kinds of listening is the first step of learning or teaching learning process or learning or acquiring the knowledge. If you didn't listen carefully, you didn't understood the topic very well. For understanding, for getting knowledge, listening is the first step of your learning. More we listen, more we learn in spoken skill. The systematic practice of listening is essential to improve the pronunciation and adapt the English accent. In addition, the listening skill help to improve the efficiency and productivity at workplace. This learning experience of listening will help the student to communicate in oral as well as oral form, okay, or in a good communication skill. Relevant program outcomes, basic knowledge, communication skills, and individual teamwork also there. Relevant course outcome, use suitable vocabulary as per context, practice learning outcome, develop the pronunciation, accent, and pattern of communication in English. Practical skill, listening skill, and speaking skill. Relevant effective domain related outcomes. Follow the safety practice while handling language lab equipment. Demonstrate safe learning. Develop concentration in learning. Then minimum theoretical background is also required to complete the assignment. Basic knowledge of the term like intonation, pitch, tone, accent is required for good pronunciation or conversation. Understand the instruction and feedback show the language lab software. The experimental setup, language lab with the software and open learning sources. Language lab with relevant software and opening the language lab sources. Procedure, open language lab software, log in your account, read the instruction carefully, select the unit activity or perform. Okay, listen the word carefully, repeat the words again and write the feedback given by the software to improve your pronunciation. So student, here are some words given. We have to pronounce it clear. Listen first of all clearly and then try to pronounce it. So night. Though word KNIGST is there, but K is silent, so word pronunciation night. 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 Okay. So correct pronunciation night. Listening. LISTINING. Listening. Listening. Third, lamb. 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 So repeat the word, still we pronounce correctly. Manner. 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 Okay. So spelling is manner, but after vowel before consonant the word sound is deleted. Okay, so manner. Okay, so manner is there. Morning. Morning. Morning, not morning. Morning. Morning means to grieve or sadness. Plural. 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 Next, peak. 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 Ordinance. artillery, ordnance, that is mean artillery, ordnance, road, 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 Rome, Rome. Next, still, still, still. 12. Seen, seen, seen. 13. Tide, tide, tide. 14. Wheel, wheel, wheel. 15. Weather, 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 weather. 16. Wet, wet, wet. 17. Jewel, jewel, jewel. 18. New, new, new. K sound again silent. Draft, draft, draft. Last sentence, last word. Sensor, sensor, sensor. Okay. So student, in this way we read the word, we listen the word carefully and try to pronounce correctly. Whenever we didn't pronounce correctly, still we have to repeat the word again and again and try to pronounce correctly. In this way we complete assignment 5. Read the word, listen the word carefully and repeat it, or repeat the word. So I hope you understood the assignment very well. Thank you very much.